could look inside your heart, is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you? The cut crease queen, yeah. You got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, yeah. The go-to stylist, treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with it. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and you're tuning in to another makeup tutorial. This is just a makeup tutorial on a look like when I'm going out. Like if I want to go outside, this is what I do. I do this every time I go outside. Like I don't even try to put much effort into like doing like a cut crease or like no cut crease. These are like basically smoky shadows, like but brown. A lot of girls do them, and I am doing them for the summertime because who got time? I don't got time. It is 10:50. We're about to go outside, okay? Have a couple drinks, come back, and yeah, y'all. I hope y'all like this look. I did add a little bit of bronzer from Nova Beauty. Y'all gonna see that in the story as well. So I just want y'all to get into this look. So if y'all want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's just me, your girl Briana Marie, and we're jumping right into this tutorial. So I went ahead and based my brows with clear brow gel already from Benefit and powdered them with Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Now it's time to go into my brow pencil. This is the micro eyebrow pencil in the shade black and brown, but right now I'm using black, and that's only towards the tail of my brows. You already know I like my tails dark towards the back and lighter towards the front. Okay, so I am now using brown, and what you're going to do is you're going to flicker up always in the front to get those natural hair-like strokes. Okay, now with my brow pencils, I have a coating on my brow pencils. I don't know why it came like that, but I feel like it's good because it's like protecting the brow pencil. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a lighter and just roll your eyebrow pencil all the way up, and they're going to work just like mine did. I'm going to now conceal with Cool Tan from LA Girl Pro Concealer, and y'all, I love a lighter concealer towards the arch of my brow because when I do apply shadow, that brow bone is what pops, and y'all going to see, if y'all didn't see in the beginning of the video, that my brows pop. Also, I did kind of switch the lighting of my camera because the last video that I did, it was like too dark. But I just posted it anyway because I'm like, you know what? Let me get my camera settings right on the next look, and I probably can go a little darker because I want y'all to see exactly like this, for instance, what I was holding up. Now this cream, y'all, I did my brows are snatched, and this cream, I am loving this cream. It is a hydrating cream. My face has been dry lately. This is the Embryolisse Lait Cream Concentrate, y'all, and it's a hydrating cream, and I love it. After I apply this cream, I apply e.l.f. primer, and these two together work like a dream. This is like my favorite foundation, favorite matte foundation. I really love this foundation. It just like my first, I don't know if it's my first, but I think it's my second favorite when it comes to Nars, because I do love the long wearing foundation. The only one that I don't like is the what is that one? I can't think of the name right now, but I don't like that foundation from Nars. I like all the other ones except for this one that just came out. But I love that combination, and skin prepping is so important. I think I'm gonna do a video on skin prepping. I did go ahead and I used Deep Tan from Milani, their 3-in-1 concealer, and then I also went ahead and used Deep. Now I'm gonna brighten up with Tan Sand from Tarte, but I didn't do that. I do that after. Now in the last video, I also did not cream contour, but I don't know, it just makes the cheeks and like the definition in my face much smaller. Y'all know when y'all contour, it's just making the face smaller. So I did go ahead and use this cream contour, which is basically foundation, and 210C from Colourpop. This their full foundation Stix, and I just basically contoured the areas that I needed to contour, which was the cheeks, the forehead, and then the chin, because I want my chin to be smaller. I also did go ahead and put deep underneath the contour to make the contour stand a little bit stronger, so I don't have to add powder on the sides of my face, even though I did. After I snatched the nose, I went ahead and added Tan Sin from Tarte Tape Shape Concealer. And then now I'm going to add some liquid blush, y'all. I love adding liquid blush. Dang. That was quick. There's missing steps here, huh? I must have didn't have that clip. But I did go ahead and take Laura Mercier translucent and also Sacha Buttercup setting powder underneath the eyes only. And then I used the remaining to conceal, which was my forehead, my chin, and underneath my nose with Sacha Buttercup. Now I am just basically bronzing my face, and I use what did I use? I don't even know what I used. Oh, I think I used the Morphe Phenom bronzer, the Glamabronze, and then I also used that bronzer right there, which was Showstopper, I think. For blush, I used Volume 1, the Saharan palette from Juvias Place. If y'all want to use my code, use BMARIE with 3 underscores. No, I think it's just BMARIE. Check down in the description bar below. I will leave the code down there. Also, I did add translucent deep from Laura Mercier to my whole face before I did my bronzer. I'm gonna just say that. So I added my base from my line, which is Bfiercebeauty.com. Will be listed down in the description bar below. And I'm adding this beautiful color from this Juvias Place palette from the bronzers. The bronze palette in deep dark, and I used the first shade in there, and then I went ahead with my 39A palette from Morphe and grabbed my favorite shade. Now it's a lot of brown combos that y'all can do, and they're gonna look different every time. So this is basically what I do for my everyday look, for my summertime looks. Like I just want that shadow on my lid. You could just add one color, you could add 2 colors, you could spice it up, you could add glitter. It's all up to you. But these brown looks are the go-to for everyday makeup, and especially for summer, because nobody has time to do like cut creases and all of that. Maybe you do have time, but I know my cut creases be long. So this is like my everyday look, y'all, and it goes with everything. And I love these type of looks, and these are just so quick and easy and the bomb to just go and get out in these streets, okay? So yeah, what I'm doing now is basically applying blank canvas in my waterline, and then I also went ahead and smoked out my lower lash line with some brown. I'm adding my MAC Studio Fix powder in NC 44.5. And y'all, this is literally it. My go-to everyday look for the summertime. I'm going to spray my face with some Charlotte Tilbury and some MAC Fix Plus Matte Setting Spray. Highlight my nose, y'all, and that is it. I'm going to tell you exactly what lip I did on the outro coming up. But y'all, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'm going to go see y'all on the outro. Okay, y'all, so I am done with my makeup. I just had to record this lip on my phone because of Nova Beauty. Yeah, I'm so late with the last story. I know I be giving y'all the same brown looks, but this is so pretty. I did add some glow right here too, but let me tell y'all exactly what lip I used. My Nova Beauty lipstick in the shade Pleasure, y'all. And then I also went ahead to top everything off is I used the Nova Beauty lip gloss in the shade If You Know, You Know, okay? So go check that story out to see how I did my lip. This is the look. I'm going to go change and I'm going to come right back. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'm going to see y'all on my next tutorial.